Namaste everyone. Wish you all wonderful positive energies. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So now in this video I am sharing the technique of Samavritti Pranayam. Sama means equal or even and Vritti means action or movement. So by doing Samavritti Pranayam we are doing equal movements of the breath. So how to do it? So this specific pranayam is divided into 4 parts. One is inhalation. Second is internal retention of the breath. Inhale and hold. Third is exhalation. And next is external retention of the breath. Means holding the breath after exhaling. So now let us try how to do it. Let us learn that. Sit in a comfortable position, Sukhasana, either on the floor or elderly can sit on the chair as well. Your spine is erect, back is straight, shoulders roll back and down. Your hands on your knees in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes and just observe your breath. It is the very life force flowing inside you. Try to observe the movements of your abdomen and chest while you are inhaling and exhaling. Try to establish the relationship with your breath. Normal inhalations and exhalations. Now, we will start with yogic breathing. So while you are inhaling, try to observe how your abdomen will go up, expand, how your mid of the rib cage or diaphragm is expanding, and how your upper chest is expanding while you are inhaling. As you exhale, your upper chest will contract first, then diaphragm, and then abdomen. So follow this pattern for 5 breaths. And after following this for 5, then we will go for Samavritti Pranayam. So how to do it? So inhale, we can start from 3 counts for a reference. So counts are here only for the reference and there is no interruption during inhalation or exhalation. So it will be smooth but counts are for reference. So how to do it? Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 1, 2, 3. After exhalation, hold for 1, 2, 3. So this will be 1 round. After this, take a little pause with normal breath. And then go for next round again. So inhale for 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 1, 2, 3. And hold for 1, 2, 3. So remember to take a pause with normal breath between the rounds and try to do 11 rounds like this. So the thing is, you can also start from 2 counts if 3 is little difficult for you, and then for 3, and after a week for 4 counts. But remember that your inhalation, holding of breath after inhalation, so that is internal retention of the breath, exhalation and external retention of the breath will be for same counts. Now there is one more technique, so similar only just to be more aware about our breaths. So how to do it? So you imagine a square. So while you are inhaling, the ascending order of the left side. So from bottom to top, your inhalations. Internal retention of the breath will be horizontal line from left to right. Then exhalation descending from, that means top to bottom, the right side. And external retention after exhalation, obviously. So it will be from right to left, the horizontal line. So you will be imagining that square. So inhale, then hold, then exhale and hold. So inhale for 3, 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath for 3, 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 3, 1, 2, 3. Hold your external retention, 1, 2, 3. So keep imagining that square, 1, 2, inhale, hold, exhale, hold for equal number of counts. So like this also you can do till 11 rounds. Once you're comfortable with 3 counts completely without any tension in the body as well as mind, and of course no discomfort for breathing, then you can after a week or so go for 4. You can try for 4. But till the time you're not comfortable with particular counts like 3 or 2 or whatever you start with, don't go for more counts, because it will be same for inhalation, holding, exhalation and holding. Okay, so there should not be any tension. In case if you are feeling any dizziness or any discomfort or any suffocation or something like that, please stop, take rest and then do it again. So please observe yourself. Please let me know about your practice and your comments. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Arogyam Dhanasampada. Thank you so much. Wish you all wonderful positive energies again.